Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here to discuss the comparison or the differences which can be found out in DNA and RNA. Both these topics have been cleared now and their structures are well known in your minds. Now come about the basic difference by which we can differentiate among between both of these. Number one, DNA. As you can see in the pic, DNA, its sugar form deoxyribose sugar. We have discussed deoxyribose sugar is present in the backbone in the strands with the combination of the phosphate. Second, its complete name is deoxyribonucleic acid. Third, we have nitrogenous bases are, as we have discussed, nitrogenous bases. It have four: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. Its strands nature double-stranded. We have discussed two strands on both sides of the nitrogenous bases are present, and it is very long molecule in its length as compared to the RNA. It is located. If we want to know about the location, then its location is inside the nucleus mitochondria, and in case of plants, it is also present in the chloroplast. It stores about its function. It stores genetic information. It is more stable in its nature as compared to the RNA due to the presence of due to the absence of the hydroxyl group. Three types, but special one is इसकी three types: A, B, DNA, B DNA, Z DNA. We have discussed this topic in DNA structure, but the special one is only one B DNA, on which Watson and Crick model was based. It is self-replicated. We have discussed that their strands can be separated from each other and work as a template for the manufacturing of the missing strands. Its basis pairing is adenine always make pair with the thymine, and guanine always make pair with the cytosine. Its role in heredity to carry hereditary characteristics. So all these points, as we have discussed some of these in the DNA lecture, and now we completed the complete discussion or comparative points when we compare it with the RNA. Now come on the RNA. The complete name of RNA is ribonucleic acid, as you can see in the pic. It's single strand. Ribose sugar is present in its strands in the manufacturing of the strand with the phosphate. Phosphate is present and side by side ribose sugar. Not just like the deoxyribose as was we discussed in DNA manufacturing, DNA bone और strands manufacturing. उसके बाद हमारे पास आ जाते हैं nitrogenous bases. Nitrogenous bases are present, but here thymine will be replaced from the uracil. Single stranded, as we have seen, single strand is present, shorter than DNA. Its length is, but when we compare it with the DNA, its length will be shorter as compared to DNA. Its location, it is also present in nucleus, side by side present in ribosomes and ribosomes are present in the cytoplasm. It helps in protein synthesis, while these are used to make the storage for the genetic information, permanent storage for the genetic information, but RNA will be used to help to give the help in the protein synthesis, and it is short-lived process, and it's the existence of different forms of RNA is also short-lived existence as compared to the DNA. And its three main types, as we discussed: ribosomal RNA, messenger RNA, and third one we have transfer RNA, messenger RNA, and ribosomal RNA. After that, again we have their basis pairing. Their basis pairing, as we have discussed, thymine will be replaced by uracil in RNA. That is the reason. Adenine here always combine with the uracil, and cytine combine with the or make pair with the guanine. Its role, RNA's role, is to express genetic information, and its genetic information is short-lived process and uses in the formation of the protein, or we can say protein synthesis. I told you that RNA is less stable as compared to the DNA. We have following reason because RNA have a hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group at the position of the सेकेंड कार्बन पे हमें यहाँ पे हाइड्रोक्सिल की पोजीशन नज़र आती है while इनके हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप इज प्रेजेंट in case of RNA, and RNA due to the presence of this carbon ribose sugar, it's the formula of the ribose sugar, and DNA hasn't. That hydroxyl group act as a nucleophile. It can attack the adjacent phosphate in the backbone, breaking the phosphodiester bond. This leads to the cleavage of the RNA chain, especially with the catalytic enzymes. Cleavage का process इसका आसान होता है. Due to the absence of the hydroxyl group on second carbon, DNA strands are 200 times more stable as compared to the RNA. यहाँ पे सेकेंड पोजीशन पे हमें हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप की प्रेजेंस नज़र आ रही है सेकेंड कार्बन पे, दिस वन. यहाँ पे हमें हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप है लेकिन सेकेंड कार्बन पे हाइड्रोजन इज प्रेजेंट, वाइल इन केस ऑफ हेयर यहाँ बोथ साइड्स पे हमें 1 और 2 पे हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप मिलते हैं, जिसकी वजह से ये लेस स्टेबल है एज़ कम्पेयर टू द DNA के मुकाबले में ये लेस स्टेबल है, और इसी वजह से DNA इज़ 200 टाइम्स मोर स्टेबल एज़ कम्पेयर टू द RNA. लेकिन इट शुड बी अंडर द फिजियोलॉजिकल स्पेसिफिक न्यूट्रल फिजियोलॉजिकल कंडीशन. RNA is single stranded and can have exposed regions, making it easier for nucleases attacks. Nucleases, you know well about. I am talking about the specific enzyme. RNA is less stable. It does not hung around forever. That temporary nature is exactly what many RNA roles need. So these are the points by which we can say that RNA instability is a feature, not a flaw. Due to the less stable condition, it is short-lived. Its need for when protein required organism, you know well that protein synthesis is not can't be go on for a longer time, or not protein is required throughout the day night throughout the life. So that is the reason specific period of the time when protein is required. So this process, due to the short-lived process or less stability, RNA can be do this duty well, because it have a stop ability, or this function can be stops when protein is not required, and this function can be started when protein is required. So we can say DNA have permanent storage, while RNA is only used to give the genes instruction and temporary effect, or it is used to express the genes. So I think all this is. I have also one example for this explanation. For example, regulating metabolic process, जिसमें हम इंसुलिन का रेफरेंस दे सकते हैं कि during the process of insulin production, this phenomena can be judged instead of permanently driving them. So I think all these points are clear. So we are able to compare the DNA with the RNA in a more, and we came to know about the reason of less stability, and the conclusion is that RNA instability or less stability is a feature, not the flaw. Thank you so much.